Hello everyone, my name is Sun Ziye, the group leader. Our group members are Wang Jiayue, Shen Haitian, and Wu Lei. The title of our group report is Comparative Analysis Report of Microsoft and Tencent. Let's begin. About Microsoft. Microsoft is an American multinational technology enterprise founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen on April 4, 1975. Headquartered in Redmond, Washington, near Seattle, the company mainly focuses on R&D, manufacturing, licensing, and providing a wide range of computer software services. The most famous and best-selling products are Windows operating system and Office series software. It is the world's largest computer software provider and the leader of the world's PC software development. Present situation. I present the market value of Microsoft, Amazon, and Google with more than $1 trillion. At the same time, the above three technologies are also the three cloud giants in the world, controlling nearly 60% of the global cloud service market. According to data from Canalys, a research company, cloud infrastructure service expenditure in the first quarter of 2020 increased by 32% year-on-year to US $39.9 billion. Amazon Web Services leads the industry with 32% market share, followed by Microsoft with 20% and Google Cloud with 7%. Present situation. The consensus forecast of Microsoft analysts shows that Microsoft's revenue is $41 billion, an increase of 17% over a year ago, and its profit per share is $1.78 on April 26. Microsoft's stock price hit an intraday record of $26 and US $2.44, only one step away from its first valuation of $2 trillion. To get there, the stock needs to rise to $26 and $4.55. Microsoft's share price has risen 18% this year.
My name is Wang Jiayue. Stock valuation according to the annual report of 2021. Microsoft diluted earnings per share 9.65, year-on-year growth of 19.88%. On December 31, 2021, closing price was USD 376.62. Therefore, the PE ratio should be $34.85. According to the above valuation mentioned, Microsoft's stock is likely to be undervalued. Weighted average cost of competitor valuation. WACC calculation formula is WACC equal EOV times rate DOV times rate times 1 TC, namely weighted average cost of capital equal the market value of the company's share capital, the percentage of the share capital in the total financing times debt cost, market value of companies' debt, percentage of debt in total financing, times debt cost times 1 enterprise tax rate. Taking the profit before interest tax, depreciation, and amortization (EBITDA) in the last financial report of Microsoft as a measurement of the fair cash flow of the enterprise. The weighted average cost of capital (WACC) is 7.5 capital. Introduction to Tencent. Shenzhen Tencent Computer System Company was founded in November 1998 by Ma Huateng, Zhang Zhidong, Xu Chenye, Chen Yidan, and Zeng Liqin. Tencent's diversified services include Circle and Communication Service QQ and WeChat, Circle Networking Plan for QQ Speak, QQ Games Platform under Tencent Games, Portal Tencent, Tencent News, Fans and online video service Tencent Video. In 2004, Tencent was listed on the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, stock code 00700. Ma Huateng is the chairman and CEO of the board of directors. According to the financial report as of December 31, 1881, Tencent Group has 120,616 employees. 1880, 85,858. Tencent stock valuation. At the same time, Tencent's shares closed at 444.4 Hong Kong dollars. Basic earnings per share 2.56 Hong Kong dollars. Diluted earnings per share of 2.40 Hong Kong dollars. Therefore, according to the PE ratio mentioned, Tencent's PE ratio should be 118.65 Hong Kong dollars. December 31, 2021. 1 Hong Kong dollars can be converted to US $0.21285. That is to say, the valuation of 118.65 Hong Kong dollars is about US $23.21. Hello, my name is Sun Haitian. In my part, I will talk about valuation comparison. Apple's price earning ratio is $34.85. The Tencent's price earning ratio is $23.21. Since the lower the price earning ratio is, the more favorable it's for investment. Tencent has higher expected earnings than Microsoft. Then we'll see this sheet is about historical trend analysis of Tencent stock price. And next, interpretation of a historical trend. Tencent's stock price research in the highest level is history on February 28, 2021 year, at Hong Kong dollar 758.9. However, since then, the stock price has been falling all the way, and now it's only Hong Kong dollar 303.6. The market value of the Tencent stock has imported by more than 50% in 1.5 years. From the historical data, Tencent's stock price has been descending, and the point of rebound at the bottom has not yet applied. Therefore, the investment prospect is not optimistic. And the next sheet is about the Microsoft stock price. Interpretation historical trend since 2016 year, Microsoft stocks has been increased, and the trend is very optimistic. At the end of 2021, the stock price rose to the highest 344.6. Although the stock price of Microsoft fell in the following months, but still stopped the selling in May 2022 and showed in rebound. Compared with Tencent, the stock price of Microsoft is better. So that's all.
My name is Ulei. Exchange rate analysis. Conclusion. Tencent is a Chinese company, but it is mainly listed in the Hong Kong market. Therefore, the exchange rate fluctuations of the US dollar and the Hong Kong dollar should be compared here. We can see that in recent years, the exchange rate of Hong Kong dollar against the US dollars has continued to decline, and the US dollar has continued to appreciate against the Hong Kong dollar. Therefore, Microsoft, which is denominated in US dollars, is more dominant. Data result.